Hello everybody, what is cracking? It's your boy BeastmodeBrady back at you with another banger video. If you're new to the channel, please go down, hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment what more you'd like to see over on the channel, and welcome, of course, because today is going to be epic. Alright, we are going to PE for a Karting regional, and it's just going to be wicked. So guys, stay tuned for some action over the weekend. Alright, we're going to go pick up Snr now. Team GBB all the way, of course. I mean, come on. So we're going to take 3 of the 4 carts of GBB down, and yeah, let's go have a jaw. Alright, I'll see you there. Lekker. Cheers. Bryce, are you keen?
Oh yeah.
What's happening? What you doing here?
Making food because I'm about to die of hunger.
About to die of hunger this early in the morning?
Yes.
Alright. Let's chow. Alright, so we just jumped in the car and it is about minus 10 degrees outside. Bryce, what you doing?
Yeah.
Probably about minus 20.
Definitely.
Hands are about to fall off. Woo. It's freezing cold. Cold. Gonna be an interesting one. Yo, wave to the vlog. Hey Mercedes. He's got his earphones in. Let's go. Okay guys, yeah, we just got to Nanaga. Gonna have a quick brekkie. Let's go chow, boot. Aren't you hungry, mate?
Yeah, dude, I can eat a full cow.
Let's go do that. Let's go chow. Time to chow. Let's have a look at what we got. Steak roaster bread. What are we eating, guys?
Roasted cook.
Okay, let's chow. Just had a lekker chow there quick. Gonna arrive at the track probably in about what, 40-45 minutes. Let's get out on track. Let's go do this. Alright, wicked. Alright guys, we just arrived here at Chelsea Scribanti circuit. This track looks mad. Check it out there in the distance. Looks like there's one guy on track. It's gonna be sweet.
Like really struggling.
What you say, Beastie?
Huh?
Listen to that thing.
That's what you can do on the start. You're just going to go straight down. Oof. But then they cut it off, and then you come through this loop here, this one right in front of you. You come through that, and then you do the back section, and then you come straight across. You leave.
Is huge.
You leave that section out.
Oh, the first loop there.
Yeah.
Okay,
only
cool.
the cadets do that.
Okay.
Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill. My
went out for a few flying laps, managed to get down to a 52.6. That's alright, probably around mid-pack for now, but we're going to have to improve on that in the morning for qualifying, of course. So we're going to get to changing tyres now. Sinead's brake pads are hopefully coming, so hopefully she gets a few more laps as well. Bryce's car's running fine, so let's see how it goes. I think I'm done for the day. Now the hard work begins. Let's fix the kart. Alright, come back stronger tomorrow. Sweet. Alright guys, just checking back in with all of you out here at the apartment. Yeah, so it was quite a successful day out there practicing. We did have minor issues, but everything should be sorted out by tomorrow. Race day is going to be sick tomorrow, so we managed to get my car on new tires, but the exhaust is still a bit loose, so we're going to have to get that fixed in the morning, and then we're going to have to fit Bryce's and Shanae's new tires as well in the morning. That's going to be missions, but we'll make a plan. We'll do it. Team GBB all the way. If you guys haven't already, go down, hit that subscribe button, like this video just to show me some support. Appreciate all of it. Thanks guys. So yeah, I'll check in with you early in the AM because it's going to be an early morning. Hoping for about a 5:30, 6 o'clock start, so let's see how early we can get it. Alright, yeah, let's go race. Alright, quali pace tomorrow. Obviously give it our best. Probably just go over some lines and stuff from the GoPro tonight now. See where my braking points are, see where I can improve, overtaking opportunities for the race. And yeah, let's just go out tomorrow, have the best day possible. Hopefully no issues. Let's just keep it safe, keep it consistent, and obviously keep it fast. Alright, so yeah, let's see if we can get a wicked result for the team representing up here in PE. And nothing else left to say. Let's do it. Alright, I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace. Hello everybody, it's your boy BeastmodeBrady checking back in with you. It is currently 6:25, and yeah, we're on our way to the racetrack, so looking forward to a wicked day's racing ahead. And yeah, we're gonna go early now. We're just getting some fuel here, if you can see. I don't know if the focus is right there. We're just gonna get some fuel. We're gonna get there, finish up fitting the tires in the other two carts, and then I'm gonna sort out my exhaust and just be ready, get a nice pit, just be ready, you know. Yeah, so we'll see what we can do. Hopefully have a very successful day out. Try and do our best in qualifying, see if we can put together a perfect lap, and then yeah, let's just go have a blast. Alright, wish us luck.
Baby, you should take it slow.
So we just did qualifying, and I landed up 4th, Bryce is 6th, and Shanae's 7th, so I think we're on mid-pack, so we're going to have to see what we can do in the race. Let's go get the team's qualifying reactions. Alright Shanae, are you happy with your qualifying performance?
Sort of, but not completely.
Alright.
But I'm keen to see what we can do in the race.
Yeah, I made some tweaks on the kart there, so
yeah, just sorted some issues out.
yeah, so it should be a bit better in the race. You think you can make up a few places off the start, or
I'm hoping so, into the first corner definitely.
Alright.
Pull some moves out there.
Alright.
And just see how it goes.
Alright. Good luck, let's see you in the race.
Thank you, you too.
Alright Bryce, how do you personally feel about your qualifying performance?
Well, in all, I actually think that it was a really mediocre performance.
Okay.
Like, when I perambulated around the first corner, I could feel the kart is just articulating around,
okay,
but it's not biting.
Of course.
So I really am getting it proper now. But I would first of all like to thank my team, GBB Racing, my dad,
Yes.
and my mom, and my parents.
Yes.
And it is actually all in all great qualifying. We couldn't get the preferred position,
Okay.
but definitely good to build on in the race. Okay, so Brady. Is it Brady? Brady
That's
Chowdhury
Brady
here today.
Chowdhury, yes.
Welcome, Bradley. I'm sorry, Brady.
Oh my word.
So what did you think about the race today? Your qualifying performance now?
Well, I was quite satisfied with qualifying performance. We managed to put on 4th position for the race. So obviously we'll see how far we can get up in the race, and yeah.
And for podium.
Podium's definitely in the picture. I think we'll have to see what we can do in turn 1.
Yeah. So are you happy with the grip levels to the kart, being a first timer here at this new Grand Prix circuit in the PE?
The new PE circuit is very different to what we used to in East London, and I'm getting used to it. I did feel the kart was a bit unbalanced in qualifying, and I think we're going to try and fix that up for the race.
All the best of luck, Bradley.
Thank you.
I'll see you later.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Feel me like a Hellcat.
So heat 1 was quite a rough one, didn't go as planned. Started in 4th. In turn 1 I managed to make a pass, got up to 3rd, and then in turn 3 I was too hard on the brakes, a bit too late, and I spun out unfortunately. Dropped back to about around 8th. Bryson Shanae also had an incident somewhere around there, so overall not a great start for Team GBB, but yeah, we're gonna have to make it up in Heat 2 now, so yeah, let's let's see what we can do. Just a side note, guys, I did manage to fight back in the race. Heat 1, and from 8th I finished in 4th. So it's just off that podium for now, so let's see what we can do in Heat 2. And then lastly, I get back after the race and I look at my GoPro and the screen shattered. I don't know if you can, there's no sun here, but the screen completely shattered. So I'm gonna have to see if I can get that sorted out. But alright guys, so Heat 3 went pretty well. I started in 2nd position, P2, and dived Jeff into the first corner. Let's just say, just for the record, what is it? Heat 3 was on a wet track, so yeah, so it was slippery. So I dived Jeff, managed to cut him and pass him in the first corner. I held him off for about half a lap. Eventually he did get past me, and I couldn't catch him, so I was happy with 2nd, and that should put me in a good position overall for the day. So I think it was a lucky one. Shanae managed to fight off the pain in her arm that she was having, and she managed to bring her to the end in 4th position, with Uncle Neil passing her just in the end. So she drove a brilliant race. Bryce also did a great race from the back because he didn't finish Heat 2, and he had a draw too. So overall successful day here in PE. Alright guys, so that concludes our PE trip. It is about 7 o'clock now, and we're gonna hit the road back home. We've got a squash exam for IPTs that we got to get back to, so yeah, let's see if we can get back to East London about 12 o'clock or so. But sad that I'm gonna miss this wonderful sunrise, but let's get on the road. It was a awesome weekend taking P2 overall, at a new track first time, battling Jeff a bit, so yeah, it was great. What a weekend. Guys, please, if you have not already, go down, smash that subscribe button, like this video, comment more of what you'd like to see on this channel. Every single one helps, guys, so please go down right now, comment. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, shot. Thanks. Cheers.
Like a Hellcat.